Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, I am lost. Where is the nearest market? It is a bit far from here. My suggestion is you can take bus. Where is the bus stop? From here, keep going. There is a T junction. You turn right. Keep going until you reach main road. You cross main road and turn left. There is a bus stop. Thank you. Sorry to disturb your time. Is this bus going to the market? Yes, this BRT bus is going to Sukarjo Market.